Looking for a fast and flavorful dinner idea? This chicken and onion stir-fry is the perfect one-pan recipe that's ready in just 15 minutes. Tender chicken slices, sweet caramelized onions, and a savory stir-fry sauce come together to create a satisfying meal that pairs perfectly with rice or noodles. The secret is to add the white pepper, sesame oil, and the honey at the end. This finishes the dish perfectly. This chicken and onion stir-fry is a simple yet incredibly delicious dish that brings bold flavors with minimal ingredients. It's the perfect recipe for busy weeknights when you want something fast, satisfying, and homemade. With tender slices of chicken, perfectly caramelized onions, and a savory sauce made with soy sauce, garlic, and a hint of sweetness, this dish is sure to become a favorite in your weekly meal rotation. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a hungry family, this chicken and onion stir-fry is a go-to dish that checks all the boxes: quick, budget-friendly, healthy, and full of flavor. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.